What is up, guys? It's Simon from PianoPig.com, and I've got another chord of the month for you. In this one we're going to be looking at a really nice voicing for a major 9 chord, which sounds like this. So let's get over to the piano and I will show you how to play it. So in the key of C, here it is. So it's a two-handed voicing that uses quite a few notes, but the sound it produces is really nice and warm. So how do we play it? Well, if we break each note down in terms of its scale degree, we've got the root note at the bottom, along with the 5th and major 7th. And then in the right hand, we've got the 9th, 3rd, 5th, and 7th. So a trick to remember this voicing in all keys is to begin by playing a straight major 7 chord in its root position in both hands. So this is how a major 7 chord looks like. And you want to play that in both hands. Once you've done this, there are just 2 simple steps you need to take in order to get to that voicing. The first step is in the left hand, and you need to remove the 3rd. So just take that out. And then you just need to do step 2, which is in the right hand. And what you need to do is move the root note up a tone to the 9th. And there you have it, that really nice warm major 9 voicing. So let's quickly go over it in a few different keys. Let's try in the key of G. We begin by playing a straight major 7 chord in both hands. Then we remove the 3rd from the left hand. And then in the right hand, we move the root note up a tone to the 9th. And there we have it. And again, in the key of B flat. Play a straight major 7 chord in both hands, remove the 3rd from the left, and move the root note up a tone in the right hand. One more time in the key of D. Play the straight major 7 chord, remove the 3rd, and move the root note up a tone. So you can hear how great this voicing is, and it's really quite versatile in that you can use this anytime you see a major 7 chord, or you could even just try replacing some standard major triads with this awesome voicing. I want to end with one example of how you could use this voicing. Imagine you were playing one of those dreaded 4-chord songs that uses that famous 4-chord progression. Well, you could replace some of those major triads with this new voicing. So for our first chord, we could replace that with our new voicing. This is actually the last chord of the month we learnt. And here we have it again. So instead of, we could use this voicing to help us create something more like this. Much nicer. So hopefully that gives you something to work on and integrate into your playing during the next month. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time.